While we're planning to study abroad, the first concern that comes to our mind is the finance, the money, the amount that will be required for me to study abroad. That's the first concern that for a student and as well as for a parent. Welcome to Career Growth. Today we'll be talking about what are the costs involved for studying abroad. In today's episode, I'll be telling you regarding the cost involved. I would like to tell the kind of expenses that you will have to keep in mind when you're planning to study abroad. Expenses involved for studying abroad can be divided broadly in 4 categories. The first is the cost of application, second is the tuition fees, third is the living cost, and fourth is the other expenses that you incur. When you're talking about the cost of application also includes the standardized test charges. In my earlier episodes, I have spoken about the entrance exams that are required, like SAT, GRE, GMAT, IELTS. All these entrance exams involve a cost that could range from $100 to $250. Along with this, each university application also has an application fees involved. Some countries will have an application fee, some may not have. That will depend on the country and the university. But on an average, the charges can vary from $50 to $200. This is, I'm talking about the USD, keeping in mind a common figure or a common currency that I'm talking. But on an average, this is going to be the cost for your applications. The second main important cost is your tuition fees. The tuition fees is the most, you can say the biggest cost while studying abroad. You cannot change the tuition fees, but you can try to have some kind of scholarships, or you can look for certain kind of universities within your budgets. The tuition fees would vary from university to university, from country to country. On an average, at least for a year's duration, of course, if you're going for your masters, it could be 1 or 2 years. If you're going for bachelors, it could be 3 to 4 years. But on an average, the tuition fees could range somewhere between 15 to 20 lakhs. Again, this is a very approximate cost. It can vary from university to university. It can also vary from country to country. The other important cost is going to be a living cost. Living cost would again vary, but again, living cost solely depends on the lifestyle, the way you have chosen an apartment. Are you going to share your accommodation? Are you going to be on campus? Are you going to be in the hostel of the university? Are you going to stay with your friends and share an apartment? On an average, all these things also add to a big cost. I mean, when you're taking a budget for studying abroad, you have to keep all these factors also in mind. Living cost, again, country to country, it would vary. But on an average, it could be somewhere ranging from 5 to 7 lakhs per year per student for any course that you're planning to study. It could be undergraduate or it could be postgraduate. Apart from the application fees, apart from the standardized fees, apart from the tuition fees, apart from your accommodation fees, there are lots and lots of other additional expenses also that you have to keep in mind. It could be your airfare, it could be your entertainment, it's your medical insurance, it could be any kind of extracurricular activities that you would want to participate in, or you would like to be a part of it. So it is essential that you have to consider these costs also. When you're talking about living cost, again in the living cost also there is a factor that if you're going to cook your food by yourself, then your cost of living can be little lesser. If you're going to be dependent on the outside food or the mess or any kind of other facilities that are available, then your cost of living can go high. So similarly, these are the main factors that you have to keep in mind when you're planning to study abroad. So students, do your thorough check on the cost involved right from your university application. It could be your living, it could be your other expenses like insurance, even your visas, your air tickets, and lots other expenses which are there if you're planning to study abroad. We recommend you to check the university's website for the most updated information and make a budget and a plan for yourself to choose a particular university or a country when you're planning to study abroad. Hope you found our today's episode useful. For more such informative sessions, do subscribe on our channel Career Growth.